Clarendon Custos William Shaguri is raising concerns about poor road conditions in that parish. Mr. Shaguri says this has resulted in several motor vehicle crashes, which has crippled the lives of some youngsters. TVJ Shamela Pullen has that report.
Pothole-riddled roads, some say it's evidence of pending disasters. And it's not confined to one area, but throughout the parish of Clarendon. It's a disaster Custos of Clarendon William Shaguri has been talking about. Mr. Shaguri believes the potholes are in places where motor vehicle crashes are waiting to happen. He speaks of a recent incident where a bus taking at least 18 children to school in Thompson Town overturned, injuring several.
Because when you look on these children that were suffering, the little girl and the fellow, one of those fellows there, his father worked with me. And he's a slow learner. And he would be there, and I had to call the doctor and said to them, he will be there suffering and not letting anyone know. He was badly damaged. He had to do surgery here on his shoulder. And the girl, we had to help her to go and do sonogram or CAT scan on her neck.
What made the situation worse is that the driver fled the scene and the bus was not insured. The Custos points blame not only at the Transport Authority for not properly checking the documents of these public passenger vehicles, but at the National Works Agency and the Clarendon Municipal Corporation for not addressing the issue of the poor road conditions. He says he has been speaking about the issue for quite some time, but nothing has been done.
But at Sandy Bay, where that road that was going on a bypass, it needs to be put back where it was, in the straight position of where it was, because there are times when the trucks coming up, they're not going around, they're going straight on the right hand coming up, right? So I am pushing it out to you as a mayor to try and deal with it, because as a Custos I've tried my best and I've written, I went on the news about it and spoke about it, but nobody seemed to understand that it was the responsibility of Highway 2000 to fix it back.
Meanwhile, Mayor of Maypen, Winston Marad, says he's currently in discussions with the NWA about the road problems.
So when they do cuts, they charge customer connection fees and so on like that. But then they have a lot of pipes now being broke because they're reaching age where they're very old and they need replacement. So we have now put together, the MOU is now with our lawyers. As soon as we get it back, then we'll be able to sign. And so we can start repairing our roads.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.